To produce a face mask, we would need a pattern measuring 25 by 15 centimeters. We'll need a pencil, pins, scissor, thread, elastic, and wipe. You will need two different fabrics so that to differentiate the front from the back. Then you fold the fabric, one of the fabric. You use the pattern, 25 by 15, and mark it with a pencil. After marking it with a pencil, you put the pin there to avoid it moving. Then you start to cut. After cutting the two fabrics, you have the same pattern now. When you put them on top of each other, you will have the same pattern. After confirming the two fabrics are the same, now you use a tape line to measure the elastic. It should measure 32 centimeters. After cutting the fabrics, you bring it to the sewing machine, you put the wipes in it, and sew them together. One fabric in front and the other fabric at the back, so that you can differentiate the front from the back. You line the fabrics together and you put the elastic in it and sew. So the end product is like this. After sewing it, this has to be washed and ironed and then packed so that it will not be contaminated.